Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get free dice on Monopoly Go. So guys, now I will show you a website which is very popular for games. And guys, that website is safe for you, so don't be worried. Now go to your any browser and tap on the search bar and search appshappy.net. Now tap on the search bar and search the game name. Tap on it. So guys, now you have to install this app, and after installing the app, when you open the app, you will see that you have unlimited dice and rolls and also money. So guys, that's it. That's how you can get free dice on Monopoly Go very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.